So this is about 5 years. So it's about 5 years from just digging a hole. And it just shows you how nature can, you know, with a bit of a hand, can restore itself pretty quickly. You know, there's all manner of plants around here, and then of course once you've got the plants established, your insects and invertebrates come in. The raupo came by itself, so birds have, you know, ducks have landed in here and bought lemna, rosola and raupo. Of course then we've been able to translocate mudfish fry into here as well. So this is a living ecosystem which supports itself. And then of course the idea is they just keep extending. We just dug a hole. Every farm could have one of those. It's a freshwater lagoon. We're within 250 metres of the Pacific Ocean, and just as an environmental taonga or jewel, pretty significant.